is the Mitel MyVoice 5330E IP phone. The 5330E is an executive phone that differs from the 5330 by providing dual integrated gigabit Ethernet ports. It is a full-featured enterprise-class phone that offers real-time applications such as web browsing, contact lists, call history logs, and many other customizable user settings. The 5330E features a large backlit display, 24 programmable keys, and an HTML desktop toolkit. Included with the Mitel 5330E is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.